Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming JDK 8 or newer and opening your project. Once ready, create a path using paths. Get file txt so you have a reference, then import Java, Neo, file, files in Java, Neo, file, paths to access modern i/o utilities. Next, call files, read all bytes or files. Read all lines on that path, choose bytes for binary, lines for text. Make sure to handle IOException immediately so the process doesn't crash when the file is missing. Once you have file contents, convert byte to a string with standard charsets. UTF-8 if you need text, because correct charset prevents mojibake. To write, prepare bytes or a list string and call files. Write with the target path and standard open option. Create or append as required. This avoids manual stream handling. If using streams or BufferedReader for large files, wrap them and try with resources so they close automatically. This guarantees flush and release of file locks, preventing data corruption or leaks during heavy processing. To finish, ensure you call files. Exists and files. Is readable / is writable to confirm permissions and path correctness before overriding. After writing, optionally call files. Read all bytes to validate output. This double checks integrity. If an I/O exception occurs, catch it, log the message and stack trace, and rerun with detailed logging to locate the failing line. Often it's a permission or relative path problem. If issues persist, try an absolute path and ensure no other process holds the file, then reattempt the operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.